One of the most common mistakes is forgetting to select an ingredient when you start. So I put my bowl on the scale and I've yet to select an ingredient on the iPad on the Vish app. And I begin pouring in my ingredient. You'll notice that it's not registering because we haven't told the system where it is or what we're mixing. If this happens, all you have to do is lift the bowl off the scale, remove the ingredient from the bowl, put the bowl back down, and start again. Now, press the icon on the screen and begin mixing. Another common mistake that is made is when we go to mix an additional ingredient on the screen and we forget to select that ingredient. So I have grams, I have weight in my first ingredient, and I'm going to my second, but I forgot to select my second ingredient. I'm now pouring, and I realize my mistake. What you do now is you drag the first ingredient over to the one that you wanted it to go to. Vish edits the amount and transfers that amount that you last poured. And you can do this multiple times depending on how many times you paused when mixing. You can also transfer the ingredients back again. The third common mistake people make when mixing with Vish is as they've mixed an ingredient, they realize that they've selected the wrong ingredient on the screen. In order to change this, now you've poured the right ingredient in, but the wrong one is selected. Simply press Add Products, select the correct ingredient that you want, transfer the incorrect one over until all the weight has been removed, hold your finger on that ingredient and select Remove. You've now corrected your formula.